Hello friends, welcome to English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 15-line essay on the topic Importance of Sports. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is sports play very important role in our daily life. Second line is it improves our body health. Third line is it makes our body become more active and healthier. Fourth line is it is the best therapy for numerous diseases. Fifth line is it also improves our mental ability. Sixth line is it increases our concentration power. Seventh line is sports persons study faster and better than others. Eighth line is it also helps us to strengthen our social skills. Ninth line is it improvises our way of communication with others. Tenth line is it also teaches us teamwork and discipline. Eleventh line is it helps us to induce a positive and healthy competition sense. 12th line is, it helps us to develop confidence and self-esteem. Thirteenth line is, it helps us become a better individual. Next line is, there are so many benefits one can get from sports. Last line is, in every stage of a human's life, the sport is essential.